This grounded meat, spinach, and mushroom recipe is a very great dinner, very healthy dinner that is ready in under 30 minutes. This 1 pound grounded meat, spinach, and mushroom skillet is the perfect weeknight recipe, packaged with protein, fresh green and savory mushroom. It is a great flavor meal you can enjoy on its own or serve with rice, pasta, potato, or even with bread. It's very quick and easy, absolutely delicious. It's a recipe that once you try, you will love to repeat. So in the process, I put my grounded beef in the bowl, then I added chopped minced pepper, I added spinach, I added salt, season cube, I added rosemary, thyme, I added garlic, I also added oregano. Then the next thing is I'm going to mix everything together, okay? I'm going to mix everything very, very, very well. So, yeah. So the next step, I added olive oil to my frying pan. So I will be frying the remaining spinach. I will just fry it for just a minute or two, okay? So I'm going to set the spinach aside because I love it the way it is right now. So I will be setting it aside, then move on to the next step, which is to also fry our mushroom. So I'm done frying the mushroom. So the next thing is to put our grounded meat in this parching paper or oven paper, okay? So I'm just going to flatten it very, very well, just the way you see me doing. I'm going to flatten it, so like so. So I will be adding the spinach. So after the spinach, we'll add the mushroom as well. So the next, I'm going to add some cooked egg. The cooked egg is optional, but I just decide to add egg, okay? So I supposed to put a little cheese on top. I forgot, I forgot to put just a little cheese on top of that egg. So this is when I remember that I didn't put cheese. Okay, so I decided to undo that. Not all, because I was scared that if I try to just unfold it, it might just, you know, become a mess. So just like so, I'm going to add a little cheese to that. You see, it took long. I was actually looking for the cheese. That was the reason I forgot it. I didn't bring it out from the beginning. That was why I don't remember. So at this point, I was still looking for the cheese. Finally, thank God I got it. So I just added little, not much. So this was the time that I was trying to mix some homemade tin tomatoes or paste tomatoes. Then I will add paprika powder. I add what is it called? Mustard. I forgot. Yeah, I think mustard something like that. I don't remember. So I add some soya sauce as well. I added olive oil. Yeah. So I added a little bit seasoning powder, just small, and salt. So I'm going to just, you know, tap that on it. Just rub it in, okay? So I was done. It's time to just wrap it that way. So I'm not doing too much, just wrap it then like so. Yeah. Then the next thing is straight to the oven. This was when I checked. This was like 50 minutes in the oven, you know. So I still cover for more 15 minutes. At the end, I bake this for hour or hour 10 minutes, you know. Look at how yummy it's looking. It looks yummy. Wow. Look at that. This is a very heady meal, you know, loaded with protein. Yeah, we have sliced it out, and I asked my kids what would they love to have it with, and they said bread. Mommy, hamburger bread. I said okay, no problem. So I decided to put it for them, hamburger bread. Yeah, that was it, guys. It came out really nice. It's great, very delicious, very yummy. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Will you be trying it out? Please leave your comment. Subscribe to this channel. God bless you all. I appreciate the love and support. Remain blessed, guys. Stay tuned, okay? God bless you all. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Ciao ciao.